Honey, our children are finally starting kindergarten tomorrow. It's all thanks to you, honey. Oh, I can't believe our children are old enough to go to kindergarten. Did you hear that? We have to go to kindergarten starting from tomorrow. What do you do there? I don't know, but I don't want to go. Have you heard the news? Jae and Sunghoon are starting kindergarten tomorrow. Wow, really? I really want to go to kindergarten too. They're so lucky. But it might mean that they can't play with us anymore. But kindergarten, I want to go so much too. Hello, guys. Jae, Sunghoon, are you really going to kindergarten starting from tomorrow? Really? Yes, that's right. Mom and Dad said starting from tomorrow, we have to wake up early to go to kindergarten. Woof! You're so lucky. Could you take me too? What do you mean lucky? Going to kindergarten means you can't sleep in. We can't watch all the TV shows we want, and we can't play all we want. I don't want to go to kindergarten. Me neither. I just want to play soccer or play in the water all day. Honk honk. Then I'll go. I want to go to kindergarten. At kindergarten, I heard you sing songs and have fun dancing. Hey guys, do you want to hear me sing? Yes, I have a dream. The dream is to go to kindergarten. Dani, do you want to know? What will we learn together with Dani, kindergarten? Wow, Sunghoon, you're a great singer. Wow, you sing the Dani song so well. Thanks. You can sing at home any day. Kindergarten sounds boring. I want to go. With my long legs, I can dance ballet and chop, do taekwondo moves. That would be so fun. I'll go. Long legs? Long legs are one of my best strengths too. No, I could just do it at home in front of the mirror. I don't need to go to kindergarten for that. Meow. I heard that there are many fun things to do at kindergarten. I'll go and have all the fun. No. We have so much fun playing right here. I am never going to kindergarten. Then I'll go. Woof! You get to play house at kindergarten too. Woof! Play house? That's one of my favorite things to play. Yum, oink, oink. I'll go. At kindergarten, you get a snack. Then you have lunch and another snack. I'll go. Oink. What? Snacks? Happy snack time. Thank you for the snack. Yum. It's yummy. Let's finish our snack and go play. Then I want to go. At kindergarten, you get to go to the playground and play lots of fun games too. 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다. What? Rose of Sharon is blooming? 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다. Oh, you moved. Get over here. I got caught. Tae-kwon. Woof. Tae-kwon. Woof. I can practice my strong hind legs kicks too. Woof. Dani, Tae-kwon. Wow, this is so much fun. I want to go to kindergarten. I want to go. I wanted to go to kindergarten ever since I was little. Oink, oink. I want to go. I want to go to kindergarten. Ooh, kindergarten sounds fun. I think I want to go then. Me too. I want to go. I want to go right away.
Then let's have fun at kindergarten tomorrow.